Is abuse the new adultery? In other words, is physical abuse grounds for divorce?
For me, it is.
If someone starts beating you and they're willing to go and seek help, and then they stick to it, and then you can move on from that, fair enough. But if they're not willing to go and seek help, and they cannot move on from it, and they keep using you as a doormat, as a punch board to keep punching, then I think it is grounds for divorce, because you're in there and your life can be in danger.
If you get divorced because of abuse, you can't remarry, according to the Bible.
Which would you prefer? Would you prefer somebody in the church, let's say in the church a Christian, right? Running around, living a fornicating life, adulterous life, more than getting married?
Now, if I'm to say that I'm married to my wife, and my role as a husband is to protect her, keep her safe from harm, that's my role as a husband, to love, to cherish, to protect. If I put my hands on her, is that, or is that not, a direct violation of the marriage covenant?
Because the Bible explicitly says that if you divorce and it's not because of adultery, then if you remarry, then that person has committed adultery.
Unless you've actually been in that situation, that's the only time when you can actually give an open and a sincere reason to it.
And I think if we look at biblically and go to the core of it, black and white, it says divorce is wrong in that context, in the biblical stance of it. If we're saying about sanctity of mind, of mental health, of being your whole well-being, you can be separate for someone. You don't have to be divorced from them.
You know something?
I don't believe
You know
that.
something?
Like, God told me in the Bible that I am fearfully and wonderfully made. So I shouldn't have to stand for any of that. Like, for her to come home and slap me just for me answering her, that's not of God.
If you do divorce and you remarry, and it wasn't because of adultery that you divorced, then you're committing adultery. Okay, how are you burn?